1. Ever get that sinking feeling when you can't find your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag is here to make that a distant memory. 2. This tiny, powerful tracker offers ultimate peace of mind, helping you locate your most precious items with incredible ease and precision. 3. Its standout feature, precision finding, uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item, with visual, haptic, and audio feedback right on your iPhone. 4. Imagine literally seeing an arrow point you to your backpack under a pile of laundry. It's truly a game-changer for finding misplaced valuables indoors. 5. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. A quick one-tap process that instantly pairs it with your iPhone, seamlessly integrating into your Apple ecosystem. 6. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle splashes, spills, and dusty adventures without missing a beat, making it incredibly durable for everyday life. 7. What truly makes this the best Bluetooth tracker isn't just its robust features, but Apple's massive global Find My network, allowing millions of iPhones to help locate your AirTag even when it's far away. 8. If you're ready to say goodbye to frantic searches and embrace effortless tracking, you can buy the Apple AirTag 4-pack directly from the Amazon link in our description below. 9. This isn't just a gadget, it's a smart investment and a must-have electronic for anyone wanting to streamline their life and secure their belongings. 10. Don't wait to upgrade your peace of mind. Grab yours today and make sure to subscribe for more top electronics reviews.